Hello. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a cleaning business. My name is James and I will be your business consultant in this video. Now, before we start your cleaning business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. A cleaning business may be a good choice if you want to start a new business with low overhead, no typical operating costs, and consistent demand. Cleaning services typically have lower startup costs than other endeavors, and this is one of the few businesses that can be started quickly with little capital, assuming you're willing to work hard for a small profit and gradual gains. Except for some specialized cleaning chemicals and equipment, most cleaning jobs will use the same products that you use for your own household chores. Formal training or certifications are not required for typical home and office cleaning, but that does not make the job any easier. There would not be such a large market for domestic cleaners if it were simple. Cleaning, on the other hand, can be a lucrative and rewarding business for those with a strong work ethic and a friendly demeanor toward customers. Begin with close friends or family members. In exchange for honest feedback and cleaning supplies, you could offer a free house cleaning. Optionally, if you know someone who works as a cleaner, you could ask to accompany them on a job to ensure you have the necessary skills. The most important thing is to ensure that your personal cleaning standards meet the expectations of paying customers, and the best way to do so is to take on a job for someone else. You must also decide what type of cleaning service you want to offer. Cleaning services range from one-man operations to national chains, and from basic light house cleaning to specialized services such as pressure washing and industrial carpet cleaning. If you have experience cleaning windows or providing another skilled service, you should think about narrowing your business focus to your skills and resources. Individual cleaners primarily work in private homes for a small number of clients. You will spend less money if you go this route with your house cleaning. Some independent contractors have weekly appointments with clients and jobs on a set schedule. Other people are available for one-time or short-term services by the day or hour. Finally, think about investing in an existing cleaning franchise opportunity. This option has both advantages and disadvantages. It may require a larger initial investment, but it will almost certainly provide a more streamlined process. Individual home cleaners to specialized industrial cleaning services are all part of the cleaning industry. It is critical to determine the focus of your service early on when determining how to start a cleaning business because the initial investment you make is dependent on the size of your team, the cost of equipment, and competitive rates in your local market. Home cleaning businesses with more than a few employees will require more structure than a service you run on the side or in addition to another job. Once you've determined your target market, you can begin fleshing out the details of your business plan and making plans for transportation and supplies. You'll want to get the word out about your service as soon as you're ready to start accepting clients. Depending on your personal network, you may begin with friends or acquaintances and gradually expand to a larger market through an online presence and marketing. The clients you seek and the services you provide should be based on local needs, as well as your personal abilities and access to transportation. For example, if you need to be able to walk to your cleaning jobs, define a radius within which you feel comfortable commuting and concentrate your market research on that area. Individuals who own a car or use public transportation have more options and can begin by searching online for existing businesses that provide similar services. Competitor research is an important part of any business plan. So if you're wondering how to start a cleaning business, spend some time researching cleaning businesses in your area. Keep an eye out for services that appear to be lacking in other businesses. Residential cleaning is easier to get into than commercial cleaning when you're just starting out. Large janitorial companies typically dominate the commercial cleaning industry, and they typically have more resources at their disposal. You can further narrow your market within the residential cleaning sector by targeting apartments or single-family homes. Also, keep in mind when choosing your market that you will most likely be doing your initial work on your own. As a result, you must be picky about the clients you choose to work with. You might not want to take on a job cleaning a large mansion on your own because it will most likely take more time than it's worth. Furthermore, doing the jobs yourself will save you money and give you the freedom to plan your work around your schedule. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a cleaning business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.